Here's something we don't talk about enough. Some people just don't exist in the way our laws are written. A trans man from Kerala went to a private clinic to freeze his eggs, but he has just discovered that the Indian laws don't really allow that. He was assigned female at birth, and before he transitions, he wants to preserve his eggs so that he can have a biological child in the future. He approached the Kerala High Court seeking his right, but the government has now filed an application in counter. The government has said that only married couples and single women, as defined by law, can freeze their eggs. Transgender persons are not covered. The government has said that to have a kid through IVF, the womb of a mother is required to implant the embryo. The only option available to this trans man is surrogacy using his eggs, which also is not permitted under surrogacy laws. The Surrogacy Act does not permit trans persons to freeze their eggs and have another woman carry for them. The trans man has now said that the current laws are arbitrary, illegal, and discriminatory and interfere with his reproductive choice. And the government, meanwhile, has said that if laws need to be changed, then the initiative has to come from the parliament and not the court. Now, India has around 2 million transgender people, though activists say that the number could be higher. In 2014, India's Supreme Court had ruled that trans people have the same rights as other people, but the laws are different and they continue to face discrimination and prejudice in society till today. In 2023, this photo shoot of a trans couple in Kerala getting pregnant went really viral. He's a trans man who got pregnant, she's a trans woman, and now they're parents to a child. And perhaps this is the dream that many trans people in India have, the chance to have a family. And this case may decide the reproductive future of India. But right now, if you have to call it as it is, India has laws that block people from their own bodies.